So by default, when you work around with Shotcut, then you work in a certain theme. So right now you can see that the theme that is being used right here is dark. But if you want to change around the theme, then you can go around into the settings menu, and over here you can see theme is an option. And right now Fusion Dark is what is being selected. But if I were to go around and select Fusion Light, then it says you must restart Shotcut to switch out to new theme. So you have to press yes, and then you can save out your project, and what happens is that Shotcut application restarts, and you can see now that the theme is white. So what you can also do is you can go to settings right here and go to theme right here, turn it back into Fusion Dark over here again, and click on restart, and you get back to the default theme right here. Another thing that you can do is you can sync out the theme with your system preferences. So if I were to select system and press yes, and depending on your system preferences, now you can see that the theme is white because my system theme is set to white. So that is how you can see, and you can see that the icon color changes as well, and the overall look of the theme actually changes. But let me just go around and turn it to Fusion Dark because that is what I'm used to right now. And that is how you can change theme inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.